Why? Can somebody tell me why? In my language, we will say "Ironyeleje," until you have a thumbnail that is screaming help, emergency, red, danger, caution. Why exactly are we triggered by bad news? This word is not hard enough as it is. Like, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tola. If you're new here or you're just joining us for the first time, please do well to click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. That way you get notified every single time I upload a new video, which is at least once every week. There's something that's been eating on my mind, especially, well, by now I hope that the video explaining the way forward on my channel will already be up, and I hope that a large majority of you understand why I have to do what I said I was going to do. Before we get into all of that, today's video has been sponsored by Aoolia, and they have sent me a couple of packages to unbox in the video today. So Aoolia is a eye specialist company, so they deal in eyewear and all of that. So you basically send your prescriptions to them. They have amazing frames. I was on their website when they sent me when they reached out to me and sent me the link, and it was a struggle to pick these frames. I haven't opened them, so I'm going to be giving you a real-time reaction of how these glasses look on me. I chose some sunglasses and a couple of blue blockers. So the description and everything you need will be in the description box. I will also be telling you a lot more about them later. But you guys, why? Can somebody tell me why? I don't want to be too specific right now, but I just want to know, why do we react more, or why are we triggered by bloody news? So today we're talking about why bloody headlines. In my language, we will say "Ironyeleje." Or why do people react or are eager to hear about bloody news, like all these heartbreaking stories? As a content creator, I have realized very quickly that until you have a thumbnail that is screaming help, emergency, red, danger, caution, if you have a thumbnail that is having a controversial headline, it will get more views than when you try to put out positivity or talk about a true life experience, or try to talk about your experience in one area or another. Why exactly are we triggered by bad news? I don't get it. Honestly, I get that is why a lot of YouTubers right now are putting out content with this emergency, alarming, caution, red flagging thumbnails that is almost like clickbait right now. And it's getting worse. And I feel like I don't want to fall into that category because, a lot of things are just wrong in the world. And there's nothing wrong with having a relatable, channel where you spread your own truth, talk about your own life, encourage somebody going through something that you are also going through. Like, why do these kind of videos that are honest and heartfelt, why are they the ones getting the least kind of views? Have you thought about it? Anyway, let's unbox these things and we'll talk more. So this is the first box I'm opening, and this is the one with, I think, a sunglass. So it came really neatly packed. This is how the box came. So the brand name is on there, and the box comes like this. I like that they put the glasses in a bubble wrap. So you know how some things get damaged with delivery. So I'm guessing that this is one of these sunglasses because it looks chunky. So it comes with this dust bag. It's almost like a silk suede-ish kind of material. It also comes with a cleaner, and then the glasses are packed separately. Oh, I love this frame. I love this frame. Take off the headphones first before we start looking like what I don't know. I don't even know why I had it on the first time. I got carried away. Alright, I should probably have put on makeup for this video, but here we are. Hello. Love these glasses. I love the fact that it's clear underneath, because you know when you have sunshades and you walk into a room and you forget that you're wearing sunshades and everything looks blurry, and then you take off the sunshades and your eyes take a little while to adjust. Yeah, I love the fact that there's that clear part underneath and it kind of fades into the topmost part is really dark, but then it's really good. I love this one. I love the frame. It has amazing detailing on there. Do you see that? That's green, red, and green. And then the glasses are so sleek. Almost looks like a Gucci kind of glass sunshade. Rate these glasses one by one. So this is the first one. I chose 3. So let's get to the other 2 boxes. Alright, let's open the second ones. I'm more excited for the blue blocker. This one also comes very much like the first one. This one also looks chunky, so I'm guessing this is probably the second one. It also comes in a suede dust bag and comes with a cleaner inside as well. Hello? This song is about to be lit, you guys. Oh yeah, love. I love the fact that the frame is really large. It's huge. The handles also are really sturdy, and it also comes with amazing detailing on there. This one is not too dark as well, and I really love it. Look at that. I really love this. I love the pink handles it has on. It's really sleek. It's Gen Zs will say it's giving what it should give. You see, there's some words in this life that they have just taken on a whole new meaning with Gen Z people. It's giving what it should give. I really like that one. And I'm guessing this is my blue blocker because I am looking forward. I love blue blockers. And I love the frame I chose for my blue blocker because it is something I've never tried before. It also comes with really nice detailing, and I can't wait to try it out. This is Tola. This is me. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. I really love this one. Love is this yellow now or orange? Before I disgrace my village people, it's simple gold. It looks very classy, very professional. I mean, you can wear this to work, wear this anywhere, you guys. I love this. So Aoolia, thank you so much for sending me these glasses. I absolutely love them. Love my glasses. I would say overall, my favorite ones has to be this blue blocker because I have been looking forward to getting a new frame. I love to wear blue blockers because I get a headache when I stare into screens or my phone for a very long time. So I need a blue blocker. Thank you so much, Aoolia, for sending me these glasses. I really love them. The link to all 3 glasses will be in the description box. So please do well to click on the link. And remember to use my special coupon code is 3UG99, and that will guarantee you 15% discount on all your purchases. So please, you guys, patronize them. This one I'm keeping on for the rest of the video. All right, you guys, so let's get back to what we're talking about. Seriously, I don't want to be one of those people who will foil the narrative and be one of those YouTubers who cannot but use clickbait and all of that. No, I don't even. That's why I'm even getting off the whole healthcare thing, because unless you're saying do this now, apply now, then they are not giving you again. Stop it. They just beheaded one Nigerian, or this African man just did something terrible and people are rushing there. Why can't you watch wholesome content? Like, for example, I was on YouTube today, and I think I watch a number of YouTubers, like Nigerian content creators here in the UK. I was on Asa Big Joe's channel. She just released a video on how she does bulk buying and sharing with people in Leicester. Have you seen that video? These are things that you will learn about, and you know, you're coming to a new country. There's a lot of information out there that you have no idea about, and you know, there are people who are creating content like this day in, day out, and then you come in uninformed, and then you're not crying wolves and oh, I wish I knew. But is this bad news that you went to go and watch first? this other lady too. Left a comment. I can't remember her name now. Yeah, it was Joy Error. She had a very informative, detailed food haul video. If it was on Aldi, like things like that, that's a very informative. Do you watch things like that? Like, are those kind of videos, I think those videos kind of supposed to get a lot of views? Like, I don't understand. But anyway, you guys, that's my own observation. I don't know why we are triggered, or this kind of news kind of get our attention more than relaxing, wholesome family kind of content. This world is not hard enough as it is. Like, why can't we just, I don't know, why is it a struggle for us to click and watch on videos like this? I don't get it. But anyway, that's all we see. I say, let me just bring my observation to you, because I don't know why it is like that, and I wish that things like that would change, because it would just make this world a better place. That's just me. That's what I've seen. That's what I've observed over time. At this point, I think I even need to really start a series on the achievements of Africans in the UK right now. Let's be diluting some of this bad news, and let's be talking about some of the great things that Africans have done. Let's do that. Let's dilute it. That's what I'm gonna do. So a new series is going to come up, and I'm going to be creating content around that. But you guys, that's my observation. Have you noticed it? Is this just me? Am I the only one who has seen these kind of things? You guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, you're milzing. You're milzing. My handle is up here. It's the same personality, but it's more real time, because with YouTube, my content are kind of staggered because it's not real time. It takes a while to edit and to put out this content. But on Instagram, you get more instant, up to date, as it happen, as it hot kind of vibe on there. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. So before I sign out, have you liked this video? If you found anything of value in it, give it a huge thumbs up. It does a lot to help my analytics. It also helps other people to see this video and, you know, create more awareness about Tola Lusi, the brand. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.